Yes, my people, good morning. Welcome back, viewers and subscriber. We're checking out another secret location. Good morning, Chrissy.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Good morning, Breen.
Hi, good morning.
Yes, man. So we're up on an adventure today again. Yeah. Checking out some great scenery. Yeah, man. Yeah.
We have a first road to come here, but you can see the river low bad. The water used to flow over them and rock stone.
Yes,
Yes.
Steves.
So,
Yes, it's Sunday afternoon. Today once more again. Caribbean Vibes Steve. Fully active.
Give thanks, Uncle Rain, for the location, man.
so you think that?
It's a good look, man. Location look good.
Yeah.
Here we are explore a little bit. Beautiful sweet point.
He's a fan of pineapple, so
Yeah.
you have to explore a little on the pineapple.
One of my favorite fruits.
Only color pretty, man.
Yeah, right.
World.
And they're young. They are looking beautiful. Wow, nice slide. Yeah, beautiful here shooting this video today. We just reached on the location, so we actually explore a little bit. Dog, watch out, tree route. I say you can't walk on it like a one step, go right down. Watch it. Look at it. Watch it, guys. Tree route. Walk all the way up on the tree road, come straight down. Beautiful. Team Caribbean Vibes cooking out today again. Is it?
Yeah.
Like our step. You know what a pretty one. Yeah. Reach on the surface, you know. I get everything ready. Quick and fast.
Yes,
Cutting up the wood them, you know.
yeah.
Yeah, man. Guess what they on the vlog today, my people. Pig foot, potato salad, vegetable rice with coconut milk. What I say name? Pig chatters.
Big chatter.
A pig foot, man, about chatters.
Oh my world.
I want a pig foot.
Can't wait to get to that pig chatters.
You pig foot
Yes, man.
with bean.
Where's the Chrissy?
Yeah. There's a big chat on the menu.
Yeah.
We have a nice guys. The river secret location.
Brina.
Wagwan.
Alright.
A pig foot about chatters.
Come on with the power secret location.
Man, we have find the best river them in a Westmoreland. Yeah.
There, man. Fully out.
Yeah, greater.
Share greater son, old man.
Yes,
Like
so this are the greater and of the coconut, you know? Going to vegetable rice. Another great day out. Giving God thanks, you know?
Did you remember the fine place?
Yes, so I'm cutting up the sweet potatoes. Cut them up in some small cube. I'm gonna boil them, make the salad. But this a cutting board here rock so. So we are cut them up even. I don't want some to be bigger than some, you know? Sweet potato salad. Yeah, so we are clean up a pig foot, you know. Dog already scrape off the excess amount of hair. So clean them up. Show pig foot with bean, you know. Can't wait to get in that rasta.
Oh my world. There man, fully active. Stew pig foot.
Bean.
Vegetable rice. Oh. Potato, sweet potato salad. Boom.
Yes, you can't wait to get in here to Miss Chrissy. Eh?
Yeah, so you shake your head.
I can't wait to get in here. Watch out.
Be shy. I'm from Brina now. She's from Brina now.
Yes, I can't wait to get in that pig foot.
Long time.
Long
Can't
time.
Wait.
Alright, so. You can't wait to bring her.
Can't wait now, man.
Since you can't wait, but you have a lot of wait.
Y'all go dance seafood, guys. Dance now.
Yeah, peeps, I cook that milk boil up. I'm going to season it up now. Season up the rice pot. I add in a piece of fresh thyme, onion, cheese stalk of scallion, and green pepper, bell pepper, and cheese. Take a girl.
Mother run for the fire.
Eat it. What are you up there? Just see. Alright, and I look at. Alright, and I have them see. You know, just see.
But I'm afraid of bun.
I'm not afraid of bun. Add a piece of butter, stick butter. Add in some salt. Yeah, man, we'll get a taste now. Leave it boil up again underneath. As soon as it boil up, we throw in the vegetables. Mixed veg.
Sabrina. You don't see me sleeping. What can a woman do to get a little rest without somebody stalking them? You love stalk, you're a stalker. Like in a Mr. Monk.
I bed you come, or a vlog you come.
Bed me come. Always ready for the bed. Can't do up in my face, so what is man?
Yeah, so I go add some pimento seed in a rice pot. And we are going to add some frozen vegetable in a rice water. The coconut are cooked, you can see crust on the top of it. We are going to cover it again. And the next time you see we open the pot, rice we are put in.
In the meantime, the fruit them cut up, season up. Yeah, I finish cut up here now, so.
Yo, so your job side pig foot there, so brother, wash off it.
Yes, man, it take a wash. I'm not make none waste, yeah, man. No waste. Yeah, man, we there, man.
Boy, Rasta, I'm turn on pork meat there now.
Me.
Oh.
Yeah. Pig food for days. Stew pig food, vegetable rice, and sweet potato salad. Fully out.
Your birthday today.
But I boil up, so we're going to add in the rice in the vegetable rice. Watch color peeps, red, green, and gold. Yes, no. pretty vegetable rice. Can't wait. Eat stir now. Yes, so Chris, you cook rice or you steam rice?
You cook and then steam it.
Okay. Yeah, so you have left if you cook you now. And after you cook, bring the bag pan here and make it steam. Yeah. Fully active. So yeah, peeps, you get the pig chotto season for the add one onion, add one green or red pepper, some scallion and chili pepper and garlic. Yeah. Some crushed pimento seed. For my good old dog, all purpose. Look a bit of Maggi. I'll rub it in this. I'll add a little brownie. Some soya sauce. Now I'm going to add some pork seasoning. I'll rub it in it. Watch color, man. Oh, pig chetters with deals. Yeah.
That's how the Rasta face.
I'll get that taste.
That's how the Rasta face.
Yeah, tell you.
Like your birthday, eh?
You call me name you out. See there? Fully pig foot. Yes, man. I'll leave it for marinate for about 20 minutes. I eat that. Yeah. So I'm going to add in some salt. And I put it in the salad pot. And a little oil. Yeah. And then we're going to add in the potato. Yeah. Sweet potato salad for days. I'll have it today. So we're going to add in frozen vegetable.
Just put it the way I cook for.
Okay. So we're going to stir it. And leave it to cook.
Yeah, and the reason for the cooking oil, even when I cut up the sweet potato, I just add some cooking oil in it, and that helps the sweet potato maintain the natural color that's change
That's
no
down
time.
with black. Yeah.
So that's the reason for the cooking oil, guys.
Yes.
I want to know that the oil hot. Just a gentle knock off the big foot. Excess onion and scallion off of it. And I fry them. Yeah. Rum break my people, you know?
Really?
Yeah. And now overthrow the pot. Give the pot space so we can actually get to turn them. And the aroma that is coming from the pig foot is something to talk about.
Yeah.
Smell it.
Yeah. But after that.
Yeah, pig foot them a catch good color.
Yeah, peeps. Rice ready. Vegetable rice. This one.
I'm gonna add some water, ginger, pimento seed. So add enough water just to cover the meat and give it 20 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes, and check back for it. And we have more than one different pig foot, some young, some old. So we don't want it to over pressure. Yeah, we are cover up, you know. Come on, pot, warm tea. Yeah. Wow, dog, you catch it, you know what I rub on the night.
Mango the young. Oh. That's a local location, private location. The peeps, pressure cooker make nice. Come on, good old pig foot. A pressure, only for steam up thing. Fully active, we out now. Caribbean Vibes steam. Yeah, we're fully out. Caribbean Vibes. Next banging video. Fully active. Pig chatters with vegetable rice and potato salad. Sim off, brother. Sim off.
Woo! I still need to come here, squad.
Yeah, so I add a little brown sugar for the potato salad. I will add some mayonnaise. I will add some tomato, scallion, onion, thyme, red onion. A little bit of green scotch bonnet pepper. I'll add just a little bit more mayonnaise to it. Yeah. Also add a little black pepper to this salad.
So yes peeps, pig chatter is finally ready. After 1 hour with the pressure in. Pig chatter is finally ready.
All pig man.
So I'm gonna add in the carrot. So you know, carrot kind of hard to cook. So. Yes, man.
Yeah, boy, I roast one dumpling right there, sir. So who never eat roast dumpling yet? Today I first them ever eat. Chris, you ever eat roast dumpling yet?
Never have and never will.
Really, you ever eat roast dumpling yet? You know what I done?
Yeah, we'll come up that now.
Dog, you never eat roast dumpling yet?
Yes, man, I want to time eat roast dumpling, man. I want to.
Alright, sir.
Yes, man, so we'll come up here and make a carrot cook a little. And then we finish seasoning it up.
What's man a scaly fish?
Yeah, me I scrape my flour. Yeah, alright, you know, Chris. I tell you, say we know about good life or we know about hard life.
Yes,
Well, me
man.
want to stick to the good life.
Okay, well,
Strip
let's
off the
see.
excess burn, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want piece, dog?
Yes, man.
One piece, too. One piece, burner. Oh,
No, I mean so nice. Roast dumpling. Oh my word.
That's a food when we can't afford the grocery.
Where's that?
That's a food when we can't afford grocery, then we can't afford to roast dumpling. Not this life.
right. Alright.
Remember them days of Christmas? Now we just roast 2 dumplings. Nothing now go on.
I tell you nobody hard life and I see look on him.
You know what about me?
Yeah, people, what's the look pattern? I'm going to add in Irish. Onion, half a pepper, and you know, thyme free of pepper. Piece of scallion, piece of thyme, so scallion, and a bell pepper. You see, piece of pepper get paid I eat the coffee. Yeah, story up at all. And I look at all purpose. Look where it jerks here, I don't know what things it can. After pressure, you know you have to season over pot.
Yeah, so we are draining off the excess water off of the bean. Add in broad bean, you know it. Yeah. Dog, ship soon come ashore, man.
Fully.
They can't fry a jar, man.
Can't wait.
They can't fry a jar.
World. Yeah, watch your beeps. Look how pretty, man. Whoa. Can't wait. Stew pig chutters, vegetable rice, sweet potato salad. Where's it? Brina? Can't wait. Yes, peeps. As you can see, the ship finally come ashore. So we're going to dish out the food out. So you're not giving me fish here, so I can't share too heavy.
Then you need Mr. Heavy Shearer, boss.
You need a heavy man. You PMP? Eh? Also, okay. You never put my finger in the ink yet.
Come here.
Serious? God no.
So I think I will me alone I eat that.
No, so I'm not putting finger in the ink yet, because I don't see sense.
Well, me put finger in the head.
I 40 years I live a Savlon, I don't see no changes in a for me, new market over here.
Area.
Yeah.
You are 55. And me vote one time. When
This
you are
man come in.
70,
Chris,
when you
how
are
much are your
70.
vote?
This man come in, that man come in, say change it to come because I know me
Same
can't see.
thing.
Chris,
I
how much
same
are your
thing.
vote?
Yeah, peeps, I same thing. So,
No answer. Silent means consent to vote. Sweet potato salad, my people, you know.
Pretty, you frig.
Yes, sir.
What that there? Purple onion.
Yes.
Look at that.
Yeah, man, make it color pop.
With a wow.
Yeah.
the picture those people. Oh, man.
Oh, that way and white, you know.
Alright.
People for the white always tell me, say, anything me I do, strive to be best, strive to be different, strive to be creative. Yes, man. always the behind the scene. I push me to go harder, you know.
Uncle Wayne, man.
Yeah, man.
Fully
One
active.
up. Yes, man. They on the block this time, you know.
Yes, man.
I mean, the last man say, you food or mouth. This time me I go see, if you want more mouth. Look at that. Hey, me get next one that follow pass it behind.
Yeah, wait for Mark forward.
Much pretty food, man.
Hey, me see you get a box of food from a repass a while ago. As the man up me box, say, man, this a dog food. Pass it back again.
I don't buy food, I don't buy food. But I wait, I don't buy food.
This is a dog food. No, and
I don't need that.
look at that.
Look at that.
Me say, man said, no sir, this a dog food. I mean, not even recall that enough. Look at this. Caribbean vibe, grab and go. To the world.
Alright, my boss, respect.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You have to
Boss,
save
collect
it.
on a move.
Yes, man. You make it run.
Man, you have a piece of wood there, you know.
No, careful. Hey, careful the way you talk about it on my uncle.
Is that how you miss your tape over my wood, brother?
No, careful.
I want a stick.
Me a man, you can't ask me about man, be careful about hood.
Then a safety, boss, a safety. People about full, watch out. Watch out.
I zoom up in my face. Guys, me even have to talk, we don't know you go already. Picture tag. Nice.
Good, nice. Yes, good.
Take time, no Chrissy.
Scoop, man, scoop.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Scoop, man.
Watch out.
Scoop! What is it? And scoop! Oh my word! My second rounds. Oh god. Pig chatters, vegetable rice. Oh god. And then put in a sweet potato salad because I'm more full me can't do it that good. You need to do yes sir. My second rounds. Nice. Put that. Yeah.
I second to guys. Really nice, swear. Picture tag bad. No one, nothing more for them.
Good, Miss Brainer. Guys,
People have laugh. I second rounds in the pan
I
of people.
second roast me there, but I say,
Pig
I
chatters.
never used to eat pork, you know, people, to
Yes,
be
sir.
honest. I mean, I tell you, right now, back on the pork world, eating again.
Rasta put him in there, man. Rasta put him by the way, man.
Man, boy, I'm gonna eat this today, tomorrow, next day, and the next day, for the rest of the year.
What do you mean, man? Stew pig chatters
You need for there, where?
and the potato salad, sweet potato salad. Nice.
Where?
Good day.
Man,
You don't know where I miss, boy.
me tell me. Boy,
Welcome to the Port Life.
Yes,
Man.
man.
Welcome back.
Father God, if you're not busy, come here.
Yes, man.
Food nice, my people.
Mm.
You know how to do it, you know, man.
Yes, man.
I want like and comment and share, man. Subscribe to the Big Bad Caribbean Vibe Cooking Vlog. Yeah, man. They are all advise me.
Yeah, man, I best Sunday, man. Pig chatters with vegetable rice and sweet potato salad. I don't know what you're thinking about. I don't know what you drift. Don't. Like, share, and comments to the Big Bad channel. Caribbean Vibes to the flipping world.
Man. That food nice, man.
Eh? Oh my
Taste
word.
ginger, you taste everything.
It is the coconut. Oh God. Fully active.
God. I think I'll be the promise. Man.
You see, peeps? When I tell you boy, I say, I dem a say Rasta, I eat pork,
And a bun out rasta.
and I bun Rasta. See it there?
Toast nice. Cook
Alright.
nice, you have
What?
to eat it twice.
All the thing missing off of this, I know I'm in bed.
Yes, man. Fully active. Out. Yes, peeps, it's been a great day. Yeah, man. It's a good video. So, we're there. We finish up the video now and we are look to go home now. So, we see you in the next video. See you next week. Fully active. We're out.
Yeah, my people. Give God thanks. Caribbean Vibes family, Chef Dog. You know what I mean? I want like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah, so we're just currently waiting on our
Yeah.
vehicle, you know, come pick up us back and edit up the video so you can get it for watch. Peace out, guys.